Hi, this is Jason at Sports Zone Toys and Comics. Today we're going to open up the all-new 2022 Topps Finest Baseball. So as always, Finest, one of the nicer products. They're $1.99 a box. We sell them by the mini box and the pack. You can find them on SportsZoneToysComics.com. This is going to feature 2 autographs per master. We're just going to give you a preview here. 2 chrome autographs per master box, 6 packs per mini, and then there's 5 cards per pack. So we'll just kind of show you what this looks like. And we'll put some on our shelf here. We do have them, like I said, available in all versions. You can stop in Monday through Friday here in the shop. Or sorry, Tuesday through Saturday till 6 o'clock. Just order it online and we will send it out to you today. $200, there's free shipping. If not, just pick the shipping you would like. We'll get it out. Okay, so let's see this year's Finest, how cool they are. You know, a lot of people really love this product. There's a lot of numbered cards and on-card autographs, which is great. So George Kirby, rookie. Trevor Story. Bryson Stott. Our Phillies fans will go nuts for that. That's a Finest rookie. That's actually an insert. Stephen Kwan, Francisco Lindor. All right, next pack, we got Corey Seager, Montero rookie, Hunter Green, that's a rookie refractor, Robbie Ray, Steven Strasburg. Don't forget about our Topps send-in program too. We give you money back for those chrome judges. Randy Arozarena, George Springer, that's a cornerstone. That's a Suzuki rookie green, numbered to 125. Jose Altuve, Aaron Judge, speaking of. Also, the Paul Goldschmidts, the 2 MVPs, they're giving $20 a card, $40 a refractor, all the way up to $200. So check those out. You can come in and pick whatever Topps product you want. There's a good one, Wander Franco rookie, Giancarlo Stanton base, a Gavin Sheets rookie refractor auto, Joe Ryan rookie, Xander Bogaerts. I think we just pulled him in our optic break. If you want to go back in the box break tab and watch that video as well, I believe that's what we got, an optic rated rookie of him. Oh. Ozzie Albies, Randy Contreras, a Buxton refractor, Royce Lewis, Gavin Sheets, and last pack of the mini box. Rafael Devers, Ken Griffey Jr. Aurora, Nick Allen, that's to 99, rookie green, Buxton, and a Hunter Green. She got damaged there right out of the pack. Okay. So 1 mini box down, 1 to go. Six more packs, so 12 in total. Ke'Bryan Hayes, Charlie Blackmon, another Aurora, Vladimir Guerrero, Alex Thomas, Jose Miranda, Jaron Durden, Steve Carlton, Aurora. Whoa. Julio Rodriguez, purple. Please be numbered. Oh my gosh. Absolute monster. 2 of 3. That's going in a one-touch. We'll send that to PSA for grading. And check that out on our page. That is huge. If you just watched our other video, we just hit a Julio 101 National Treasures for a customer as well. So watch that one. But wow. Shane Baz. It's got a little nick there. Garrett Cole. Alex Thomas. Refractor. Brian De La Cruz. Tatis. There's a big print line up there. See that? Oh my goodness. A Julio 2 of 3 rookie purple. No way. I can't even believe it. Chris Bryant. George Springer. Kyle Seager auto to 150. Wow. We are hitting the huge stuff. Topps and Panini, thank you so much. You are sending the big hits to Sports Zone Toys and Comics. You guys get on our website and order these right away. You can clearly see we just keep getting big hit after big hit. 300. Carlos Correa, Jacob deGrom. Last pack. We really appreciate you watching these videos. Please subscribe to the channel. Share it with all your friends. Check out all our break videos. Nick Allen, Suzuki rookie, Jose Miranda, rookie refractor, Yadier Molina, and Bryson Stott to finish it up, rookie. You know, you Phillies fans, stop in our shop. I know you'll be all over that one. So this was Topps Finest 2022. Amazing cards, really delivered the hits. We thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.